Good day, everyone. Let's see what we got here. It's fairly obvious because you probably have read the thing here. So let's take a look and see how beautiful this thing is. Well, looks like you got beat up a little bit. All right. Let's see here. Okay. I think it must do. Those Germans. There you go. Okay, it goes like this. Okay. It's supposed to. I'm curious if it has a pulley or anything. Good golly. They don't want me in there, do they? Alright, well hang on. Alright, I got her. Okay. Well, it does come with a pulley. It said on the description it didn't come with a pulley. Stop. Okay. Let's stop then. Alright. That's pretty, ain't it? Let's see if it says 1-2 buckaroo back there. It does. 1-2. 1 goes to your lamp, and that's your exciter wire. Okay. I'm going to read every little thing. I'm going to stop in the name of alternators. Okay, let's get that off of there. Alright, I don't want to do any damage to anything. Gotta leave that sticker on there, that's pretty. Alright. Okay. That is no doubt. I just talked about that the other day. So you gotta charge your battery fully, even if you buy a brand new one. Alto. So, it sure will. Okay. That looks perfect. Let's see how she toils, neither does she spin. Boy, that's tight. Tight and nice. There's no lateral movement. There's no back and forth. Some I've seen rebuilt ones. I won't say from where or from who, but they don't feel like that. That is a beautiful thing. Is there some kind of foam in there? I happen to have an X-Acto knife here with me. Look at that. There's some kind of foam in there. I think it just stays in there. That's nice. Weather sealed is what that is. It's almost like a marine application. So let's see. I'm going to register this thing for sure. Is there any other paperwork in there? Okay, well, you don't need to see me register anything. Okay, oh. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that right now, as my mother used to say. Right now. Okay? You do it too. Alright, I've done all this pre-wiring here. I got my diode here. I like running an earthing wire to it. You don't really have to, but I like doing that. And this goes to the gauge. And then, let's see, I got the other stuff over here. I think I got it all wound up in here. Yeah, I do. So this is the wire that messed me up the other day. The number 2 sensing wire. So I got everything over here. Well, all I got to do is bolt it up and see what happens. Okay, I have a gauge for measuring how strong a belt is on there, but you kind of get the feel for it. Not too tight now. And of course, as we all know, you gotta have one of these babies hanging around. Okay, so put that over there so I won't get it in my mouth or anything. And then it feels fine. Go with the longest possible part. Yeah, that feels fine. So when I tighten all this up, that'll tighten up a little bit more. Then we're ready for wiring. Alrighty, we have my earthing strap here. We have number 2 going back to Excite. We have the wire going to the gauge. I have my braided wire going up to the new battery on the positive side, because these are generally negative earth unless you got a real old one. And so this is the first time I've ever used this battery, and I got an additional earthing strap on it that I ran into the original thing. So let's cover our eyes and see if any, or listen for clicks and bangs. I just heard a spark, which would be normal. Okay, so let's go in there and look at the gauge. And we should be just over 12 volts. And let me pull this off before I forget. Okay. All right, so we're just barely over 12 volts. So don't have to close that all the way. We can just use this key here. I hear the pump going. Let's watch this right here. Yep, see it bump up? That's a fully charged battery, so it's not, there it goes. Shouldn't take much, so it's gone up to 13.9 or so. So there's your, now let's watch it when we turn it off. And she floats it on back down there to just over 12. Well, that's success, gang. So I love that Bosch thing. It's it just feels so nice. So give us a thumbs up. And loving my doors and my new armrest and my new handles and all of that good stuff. So, don't love them side pipes, but they're okay. Looks cool. Looks like on Hot Wheels or something. There goes Miss Hawk over there. I can hear her screaming. Or is that Dionne Warwick in the background? Oh, there's the little birds that follow them. Yeah, that's Lady Hawk. Okay, talk to you later. Thanks for being here. Let's go to town and get rid of all these old alternators. How about that? The house right here. They were running out on the other side of the pond. It's a Wabbit attack.
How many do you see?
I think there's 3 or 4. One went right toward the crawl space door, and one ran across the front yard. Rabbits and eagles. Okay, so yeah, they're hippity hoppy. It's like Easter out there. So there's that stuff on top of the feeder there. Yeah, one like ran behind the air conditioning unit. And there goes one out there. We'll zoom in on him. He's just hopping his way to the back of the barn. Now he's cut back this way. Here he comes. Oh, there's 2. There's 2 right there. There's 3. They're just out there having a big old frolicky time. I got all 3 of them in frame here. So 2 are cut around the back and 1 cut across the front yard. That's hilarious. I don't think I've seen